Hey everyone! Seeing company earnings directly on your chart is a game changer for fundamental analysis, as it allows you to anticipate major price swings caused by quarterly reports. In 2026, TradingView's events display is integrated seamlessly into the timeline. Here is the exact workflow to enable and use it. Step 1. Accessing the Events menu. We are starting on the main chart. We're heading to the chart settings because earnings are considered an event that must be toggled on. Right-click anywhere on the blank chart area or click the gear icon in the top right corner. In the settings window that pops up, select the Events tab on the left-hand sidebar. This is the visibility phase. By default, these labels may be hidden to keep your chart clean, but they are essential for stock and bond traders. Step 2. Enabling earnings labels. Now we're in the event settings. We're heading to the Earnings on Chart checkbox. We do this to place visual markers at the bottom of your price action timeline. Check the box labeled Earnings and Dividends if you want to see those too. You will instantly see small circles with an E icon appear along the bottom x-axis of your chart. These icons are placed precisely on the date the company released its financial reports. Step 3. Interpreting the earnings data. We are heading to the chart timeline. We do this to analyze the surprise factor, the difference between what analysts expected and what the company actually earned. Green up arrow means the company beat estimates, positive surprise. Red down arrow means the company missed estimates, negative surprise. Gray square means the surprise was neutral or data is missing. Hover your mouse over any E icon. A pop-up card will appear showing the report date, actual EPS, earnings per share, estimated EPS, and the surprise percentage. Step 4. Using the earnings calendar sidebar. We're finishing at the right sidebar. We do this if you want to see a list of upcoming earnings for all stocks in your watch list, rather than just the one on your current chart. Click the calendar icon on the far right toolbar. Switch to the Earnings tab. This provides a chronological list of companies reporting today, tomorrow, and this week, along with a countdown to the exact minute of the release. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.